Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell an Amazon affiliate product on your own blog post, so stay tuned. Hey guys, alright, we're going to dive right in and I'm going to show you how to write your own blog post and sell an Amazon affiliate product. So let's get started. So there are tons of products out there and there are tons of ways to write different blog articles about products and then to try to sell them. The product that I'm going to pick today is a book that I read called The 4-Hour Workweek. Escape 9 to 5, Live Anywhere, and Join the New Rich. This is a book I read not too long ago. It's amazing. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check it out. It's a life changer. If you really want to start on your entrepreneurial journey, you want to start living more efficiently and going for your goals and your dreams now, you definitely got to read The 4-Hour Workweek. Check below in the description and click the link to check it out. This is the product that I'm going to show you how to sell, and it's something that I can endorse because I read it. So, what I did is I just went to my Amazon, dashboard, my associate's dashboard, and what I'm going to do is build the link. I found the product, I searched it. I'm going to click Get Link, and I just want the text only for this, and I'm probably going to just do the short link. What I normally do is I just kind of like put it off to the side or like put it wherever I'm going to be writing the blog. That way I have that link when I'm ready to publish. So the publication service that I'm going to be using is Medium. Medium is a wonderful blogging platform for people that are trying to get started. There are tons of different topics and it's a great way to get started for free and to be able to write publications, and you can even earn money on it. If you want to learn more about Medium, just click the link below in the description. And if you want me to make a video about Medium and go into depth, then say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do that. I'm a newbie at actually writing a publication with Medium, and I wanted to go through this with you so that you could see how easy it is for a newbie to write a blog post about a product that they're trying to sell. So all I did is I Googled how to write a blog post for Medium. Actually, if we go back, you can see my Google search. Yeah, how to create a blog post on Medium. So what I did is I just clicked the first thing, or one of the first things, and it says create a publication. This is on help.medium.com. And so it says go to publications, click new publication, enter some information, like contact info, and then you can create it. So let's just go through that. So I'm on the home page of Medium, and then I click my icon, and I want to go to publications. And then there are suggested publications that other people have written. These are for blogs that have recurring articles written. So I'm going to click new publication. I'm going to call it my favorite books I recommend or something. And I could say these are books I recommend for people to learn from and change their lives. Something like that. Something that's catching, that that's going to catch somebody's attention and that somebody will read and be like, yes, I want to read this. So we need an avatar. I guess I could just find a book clip art or something, and this could just be anything. If I'm going to write bunches and bunches of book article reviews, then I'm going to want something very generic. You want to make sure that the item is probably royalty free. A lot of clip art is. Sometimes you have to credit the person. I think it would be okay for this purpose. I'm not really trying to sell anything off this. I'm just trying to give an example. But essentially, I would put this avatar in here, upload it. The social stuff doesn't matter for right now, but I would definitely put your email, your Twitter, your Facebook. And then you want to put tags, and tags are really important for things that are searchable. So what I would do for this is I would go to Medium. You always want to reverse engineer the platform you're on. Yes, you could get keyword info from Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner or YouTube, but you want to know what people are searching on Medium because it's just a different platform. It has its own engine, right? So when I look up book, I see book for you, books, etc., book of the day. These are all great, right? So these are the ones that I want to put in my tags because these are things that other people are searching or are popular. So I do book for you, book, what was the other one? Books, etc. book of the day, because these are the most relevant. You could probably put something generic like book review and then book, and those probably get a lot too. I would just do some research on the top tags. Up to 5, definitely get things that are being searched. You know, maybe those first 3 are just what came up as very, very relevant, but maybe these other 2 are very popular. So you want to do a mix and match of those. You want your publication to show up, but you also want it to be searchable. You can add new writers and stuff. I don't think we need to do that for this because I'm the writer. And then you would get to this publication page. This is like the home page, my favorite books I recommend. So when you get here, you can add like a background image, you can add other information. I'm gonna keep it plain just for the sake of time, but I'm gonna go ahead and click create. And now I have this, basically like this home page, this home base where I can put stories. So now what I wanna do is I wanna click the icon, and you can see my avatar for my publication. And I wanna click news story. And what I would say is, this book changed my life. You know, I could say something to the effect of, you know, the 4-hour work week is about, you know, reaching your dreams and trying to take action and become more efficient with your day and try to work away from the job that you're working at while building on your entrepreneurial pursuits. So stuff like that. Like, you want to think about the book that you're writing about, or whatever the product is. You could be selling a lawn chair. You want to tell a story. It's just like any other copywriting. So you could say the 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss is an absolute game changer. If you have aspirations to become financially free and live a life that is self-fulfilling and full of opportunity, then this is the book for you. And I could go on and on. Like, what I would do is just write, you know, in the first couple chapters, this is what it's about. Write something that's engaging, right? Like, don't just write to write. Write something that's a summary, something that you would see somebody else write that's actually engaging. You would want to read it. Like, look at different synopsis articles. Or same thing with like products, right? Give the key things, the key metrics, the reviews out of 5, whatever it is. You can use plugins like Grammarly that are telling me, you know, game changers of phrase. That way you're writing grammatically correct content. The cool thing you can do is if you hit this plus sign, you can actually add different elements. So you can add images, you can add video, an embed, a new part, all these different things, right? So I'd probably want to go find an image of this book. Then I'll save the image in my downloads. And then when I go back to the story, I can click the plus, click the camera, and then upload the image. And I can caption it. I can say 4-hour work week or whatever. I could write what it is. It's kind of self-explanatory because that's what the whole article is about. So you don't necessarily have to do that. Again, you want to maintain professionalism. So whatever you think you want to represent in your article, but also keep it fun and entertaining too. Like, you can also put memes in here, or, you know, anything engaging, a video, a review from Tim Ferriss, whatever it is. If it's like sports equipment, people playing with the ball, you know, anything you think will get people to read it and that is relevant is super useful. The final thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you include your affiliate link. So the way you want to do that is you want to say something like, I highly recommend this book. Click this link to start your new independent life today. Then you can highlight the text and you can actually click the link button. You can find your link and you can paste it in there. And now, as you can see, when you highlight over it, it has it linked to the short link of your product. So then when you're all done, you can publish it. And you could put a preview image. You can also add tags for your story. And once you publish it, other people can check out your post. And as long as you have it tagged, people will find it organically. You can also promote it on your social media, your YouTube channel. You could probably even drive ads to your Medium articles if you wanted to. Then you want to verify when you click on your link, it takes you to the affiliate link to the correct book, and it does. And so if somebody buys it from your blog now, whether it's today, tomorrow, 2 years from now, you're going to end up having that referral, and you'll get a 10% commission on that. which is awesome. So you want to do as many of these as you can. And you might be wondering, do I need to actually know everything about the product? You know, do I need to read a ton of books and just know everything about it? The answer is no. You know, you don't want to lie about a product, but you can read other reviews and, you know, make a hypothesis of whether the book is good or not, or the sports equipment's good or not, whatever the product is, right? Like I can look at these ratings, almost, you know, 7,500 ratings, and I can say, you know, it must be a pretty good book if it's 4.5 out of 5 stars. But based on that information, I can look through some of the reviews at the bottom and see what people are saying about the book and write something compelling. You can also look up other blog articles and try to gain inspiration. Don't copy anybody else's article, but try to gain inspiration from it, especially if it's a product that you don't know a ton about. That's how you educate yourself. In today's modern society, we figure answers out by Googling and reading blog articles. You can learn that information and write your own review of it. There's nothing wrong with that. I can't wait to see you guys go out and start writing blog articles and selling Amazon affiliate products. It is amazing. It is a great way to start a second source of income. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about how to become the best affiliate marketer possible and to get the best tips to be an online business owner, then I suggest you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com right now. The link is in the description. I can help you start selling online today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.